Hi everybody, welcome to week 1. So I wanted to give you a layout of what you would be doing this week. All of the weeks should be set up the same way, and as we're going through it, we will be learning all of this. So you're in your course and you'll have your welcome folder, and then you will have a folder for week 1, week 2, week 3, etc. One of the things you should do is if you should look over here under updates, there will be updates that are posted. So the big one for this week is that you need to check in by 10 a.m. in the morning so that you will be marked present for the day. You are responsible for doing your own attendance. And then in the welcome folder, you will see the attendance, how to do it. It's a big green button. It's really pretty simple, but if you need to see pictures of it, you can go to the welcome and you can go to the attendance, and there is how to mark yourself present, etc. So you can go ahead and look through that. If you have any problems, please call me, text me, email me, something. I will help you, but it's pretty simple. So now, if you are, so now that's once you check your updates. Okay, so for this week, what we're going to be doing is basically going over procedures and rules and expectations of Mona Jane. We'll be doing a typing test so that we can set goals to get better at typing. And you're going to do a scavenger hunt of the welcome folder, which will help you understand. A little bit about this interface. An interface is what on a computer you call your desktop, how you can click around and do things. But if you can see over here on the right side, you'll have your upcoming events. So you'll have, this week we have a survey, you have an assignment 1, which is an assignment. Assignment 2 is a discussion, so there will be 4 discussion questions. And then assignment 3 is an assignment. So you can tell what kind of assignment it is by these little icons to the left-hand side of it. So what you'll do is you'll go down to week 1 and you'll click on it and it will give you an idea of what's happening. I put a folder in here called Before You Get Started that might have some additional information. It might have additional things you can do that's not graded. Or in this case, I put in a survey about technology. It's like 8 questions long. All I want you to do is fill it out. It's what kind of computer do you have? Are you sharing it? And a couple skills. So if you click on this folder, you can then click on the survey, and then it says complete this survey. So you would click on it, and then you can answer the survey. When you're done, you click submit. Okay, very simple. It's 7 questions long. Very simple. Okay, then if you go back, the second thing that is in there is a checklist. I will provide you a checklist each week of things that that we're doing and needs to be done. So this is only for you. You do not have to turn it in. You don't have to print it. You don't have to do anything. It is just a way for you to stay organized. So this is an overview. We're going to the welcome video, which is what we're watching right now. And I will have an instruction video for each one of the assignments, your 3 assignments. I will be doing face-to-face meetings once a week. But I'm not going to do one this week because I know you guys are going to just have so much going on, getting used to 7 classes, and online and everybody and learning names and so on. So, but I will put the information on here when I am going to have it. And then there's a word wall, and it's also voluntary, and that will go along with your quizzes that you'll have every other week, which we will get to, but it's not this week. I have in here your vocabulary, so we're going to be talking about PBIS this week, welcome folder, and navigation. Your essential question is, how do I succeed as an e-learning student? All of what we're doing this week is pretty much how you are going to focus and set up your system so that you can succeed. I will put on here on the weeks that we use, I will put when it is. It's most likely going to be a Thursday, but it might change depending on feedback from you guys, etc. There will be your learning objectives. So we're going to learn how to navigate Schoology and how fast you can type and set a goal for it. Your assignment 1 is a Nearpod, and it is to navigate the welcome folder. There are some activities within the Nearpod. All of the assignments are due by Saturday night. The second one is from the administration at school. It is a playlist, so there are multiple videos that you're going to watch about the PBIS system, which is your expectations and procedures, your rewards and consequences for your actions while you are at Dr. Mona Jane Middle School. Then once you have watched those videos, there are 4 discussion questions. For discussion questions, you must answer the question before you can see what other people are saying. So make your first submission the right submission, because if you just type in yes and then go and read everybody's and then type in a great response, you will not get credit. You need to actually reflect and do it on your own. And then the last one is we're going to go and we're going to take a typing test, and you're going to send me or submit to me on the assignment your typing speed. From that, I will tell you what by the end of the quarter you want to strive to do so that you can increase. No matter what you are doing these days, you are typing. So I want you to get better at typing. I'm going to give you 3 or 4 sites that will help you. So at any time you can practice typing, but you get it. Do not cheat on emailing me your score, because it's not going to help you. I'm not giving you a grade. If you email me a score of 3 and somebody emails me a score of 30, they will get the same grade. The grade is about you setting your speed. At the end of the semester, at the end of the quarter, when you are supposed to be at the goal, if you were at 3 and then your goal is 10 and you're only at 9, yeah, then you'll get a 90. But you're not going to be penalized. All I want to see is growth and skill. All right, so that is what we are going to do with your checklist, and that is, like I said, totally for you. So now you can go back and you can go to week 1, and then you have your 3 assignments. Like I've explained to you, assignment 1 is you're following the Nearpod. You're going to click here, you're going to go to the Nearpod, and you see this code right here, you're going to copy and paste it, or you can type it in. But to copy and paste, you highlight it, you right click, and then you copy. Okay? And then you will go to the Nearpod and type it in. Then you will go to assignment 2, which is the videos. Okay, so This is assignment 2A. Okay, so there are procedures and you have to answer this question after you watch the videos. It says click here, it's over here on the right hand side, click here to get to the videos. When you see this, the videos, like I said, is a playlist. It's produced by the school. So once it comes up, maybe today, sometime, you will see, I think there's 5 videos. And this happens with technology to everybody, so don't worry if it happens to you. Okay, so here are the videos. It is a playlist. It's 5 videos. Because you're e-learning, you have until Saturday to get all of this done. So do you really have to do it day 1, period 1? No, but that is the suggestion. I would play them in order. So I would do day 1, day 1, day 2, day 2, day 2. Okay, so I would do that. Then you're going to go, like I said, and you are going to answer these questions. You need to answer them before you can see other people's responses. All right, so that will be what assignment 2 is. There are 4 questions based on those 5 videos. And then the last one will be to go to typing. And what we're going to be doing is we are going to be going to typingtest.com and we will be taking a 1-minute timed test. And I will have a video in here to show you how to do it, where to get to it. And then you will submit your time to me. Okay, so if you have any questions, if I haven't been clear, please let me know, and I will talk to you all soon, and I wish you the best of luck this week.